My name is Daniel, and today I want to introduce the Pico Hero, a DIY open source handheld based on the Raspberry Pi Pico microcontroller. Hope you enjoy. And this is what the Pico Hero looks like now. It's nearly 14 centimeters wide, 6 centimeters tall, and 1.2 centimeters thick, and weighs approximately 100 grams. But let's start from the beginning. I wanted to have a handheld based on a microcontroller, but found the devices available on the market to be either too small, especially the display, or I did not like the looks. Moreover, I wanted to build my own device to learn and because I like DIY stuff. So I started out with making a CNC mold prototype, which looked pretty industrial and retro with its edgy and wide design. And because it had no mainboard, it was only 1 centimeter thick. Looking inside reveals the ugly parts and the messy wiring, so I thought I could do better, and started out with laying out a PCB design. I actually made a few, which initially had some glitches, like coupling electromagnetic interferences, where some traces of the PCB acted like antennas when tuned by my hand approaching to certain areas of the housing, which then interfered with the clock line of the display. The cases actually derived from the original prototype, and I had them printed in 3D, which was a lot less work than milling them on my own. I also tried different materials and colors, and this is what the Pico Hero currently looks like. I originally wanted to call the Pico Hero a Pico Pad, but a couple of days before I uploaded this video, a Czech company also released a PicoPal. Well, this is a modified version of bhzxx's Sega Genesis emulator. I'm planning to release the source code soon on Github. Check out the links in the description. While frame rate is often okay, the RP2040 struggles to keep up with sound generation. Moreover, I wrote a little software library for Arduino, so you can quite easily create your own games. It has some cool features like a fast splitter that also supports zooming, flipping, and rotation. Also included is a tile map splitter module for fast splitting of tiled maps. It can render in different modes like top-down view for top-down racing games or platformers, and as in AS Mode 7 style graphics. The performance mainly depends on the number of pixels drawn. That is not regarding flash caching, so you can do fast split-screen graphics. There also is sound output with 4-channel audio support. You can even run Vindar's TGX library in order to do some real-time 3D model rendering. ASD library is currently not included, so I only used an existing low-speed library for testing. Well, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed and thanks for watching. If you're interested in building your own Pico Hero or just want to look into the source code, please follow the links in the description below. I'm planning to release the blueprints and build instructions soon, so stay tuned for updates. Thanks and goodbye.